Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today we've got something exciting to show you. An iconic gaming keyboard that's going to be a modern classic. This is the brand new Logitech G915 X, and today we'll be unboxing and taking a first look at all of its features. And we have not one, but two versions to take a look at. The G915 X Lightspeed and the G915 X Wired. So let's get right into it. With the G915 X Wired, you get the keyboard with the USB-C to A cable and some user documentation. Meanwhile, in the G915 X Lightspeed, you get your keyboard, a Lightspeed dongle, an extender, a USB-C to A cable, and some user documentation. With that out of the way, let's take a look at the connection process. For the G915 X Lightspeed, plug in the Lightspeed dongle to your computer, turn on your keyboard, and click on the Lightspeed button, and the G915 X will automatically connect to your computer via the Lightspeed dongle. In case you want to use Bluetooth, press on the Bluetooth button and your keyboard will go into pairing mode. Under Bluetooth settings, click on the G915 X, enter the code shown on screen, and you have successfully connected via Bluetooth. For the G915 X Wired, connect the USB-C end of your cable to the keyboard and connect the USB-A end to your computer, and you have successfully connected your G915 X Wired. The G915 X Lightspeed and Wired both have a similar layout with a few additional features exclusive to the Lightspeed version. The similarities include 9 G keys, dedicated media control keys, an aluminum volume roller, double-shot PBT keycaps, a game mode and light sync button, a USB-C port, and adjustable feet with 2 different angles. But with the G915 X Lightspeed, you get some additional features like a dedicated Lightspeed and Bluetooth button, a slot to store your Lightspeed dongle, and a brushed aluminum top plate compared to a sandblasted finish on the G915 X Wired. The G915 X gaming keyboards feature some incredible upgrades, like a shorter actuation point of 1.3mm resulting in a faster key register, and the GL low-profile switches use a cross-style switch, which improves stability. This allows you to respond quickly, especially in games that demand quick reaction times. The G915 X also offers a wide range of shortcut keys and customizations. Here you get 9 G keys as opposed to the 5 on the previous version, and there are dedicated media keys and a roller bar for volume control. With the latest key control functionality, players can configure up to 15 functions per key to unleash even greater levels of gaming performance by remapping commonly used commands. With an incredible 36 hours of battery life, you can comfortably game for prolonged sessions without worry on the G915 X Lightspeed. It also features full LightSync RGB lighting for an immersive experience and a distinct look. You can also customize your G915 X according to your preference via Logitech G Hub. With a premium aluminum build, low-profile keys with a faster response time and increased stability, loads of customization, LightSync RGB, and a 36-hour battery life, the brand new Logitech G915 X is the one gaming keyboard that's meant for the ultimate gaming experience. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.